Hi, so we're going to be doing problem number 3 from chapter 2 in the physics textbook. So this problem, and I'm just going to read it off my computer here. It says, trip home. You normally drive on the freeway between San Diego and Los Angeles at an average speed of 105 kilometers per hour, 65 miles an hour, and the trip takes 1 hour and 50 minutes. On Friday afternoon, however, heavy traffic slows you down and you drive the same distance at an average speed of only 70 kilometers per hour or 43 miles per hour. How much longer does the trip take? So we have some information that we can gather from that I've already derived. So your average speed from San Diego to Los Angeles is going to be 105 kilometers per hour. So that's good to know. And so that is going to be average velocity. I'm just going to write that. You might not need to write that, but there it is. Well, actually, yeah. And so this time, if you're going that fast, it will take you an hour and 50 minutes. Let me relocate this on the board so it's easier to show. So you have 105 kilometers per hour so 105 kilometers per hour per 1 hour and 50 minutes. 1 hour and 50 minutes, that's 1 hour and 1 hours, that's 11/6 hours, so just 11/6 hours. So 105 kilometers per hour per 11/6 hours. So now the heavy traffic makes it so that your average speed over the same distance is going to be 70 kilometers per hour. And so we have 70 kilometers per hour, but we don't know how long that's going to take to travel the same distance going that speed. And so I think the first thing we need to figure out is, what is this distance? That would be, and so we have the speed, the average speed at which you're going, and the amount of time it takes. So we can find that out. So you can take 105 kilometers per 1 hour and multiply it by 11/6 hours over 11/6 hours. And so then hours here, they cancel out, so you're not going to have more hours than you need. But this is going to give you, so if it's 105 kilometers per 1 hour, now we're trying to find how many kilometers it's going to take for 11/6 hours. And so that's what this is doing here. And so what you end up getting is 192.5 kilometers per 11/6 hours. So going 105 kilometers per hour for 11/6 hours, that is a distance, you will cover a distance of 192.5 kilometers. So this right here, that is the distance. And so we can go ahead and write that down somewhere and just have that right there. So we can erase the rest of this. So that's good to know. And So now we want to find out how long it'll take to cover that same distance with this speed, 70 kilometers per hour. And so what we need to do is we need to take this number, 192.5 kilometers over 1, and multiply it by this. And now we're going to flip this around, so it's going to be 1 hour per 70 kilometers, just so that we can get the units to work out, so that we can solve for hours. We're not trying to solve for kilometers, we're trying to solve for the amount of time. So 1 hour over 70 kilometers. And there you go, it'll solve for time, because kilometers cancels out and all you're left with is hours. And so then you have 1 over 1, that cancels out, and it's just 1 over 1 anyway. Multiplying by 1 is not going to do anything. But 192.5 divided by 70, that's going to give you the hours. And so what that is going to equal is 2.75 hours. And so that is your final answer right there. And so that is the time it'll take to travel from San Diego to Los Angeles in heavy traffic, going an average speed of 70 kilometers per hour. That's your time.